Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Welcome back to Destiny Unveiled Daily 888. So for today's reading guys, this is for my beloved Libra for its weekly financial prediction from April 20 to the 26th. Libra. Libra, I need to get 6 cards, alright? So Libra, Universe, Holy Spirit, what's the messages? Guardian angels, my guardian spirits, guardian angels, what is your messages? What's the financial prediction or financial messages for my beloved Libra? This is what is the current situation for Libra? Current financial situation for Libra. Current financial situation for Libra, right? There's a Knight of Wands. Okay, so the next card, we need to get the energy, the money. Where's the money came from? Or your money. Next is the money out, the expenses of the money. Where's the money? Where's, in what way that money is out? Wow, the Nine of Pentacles. Libra. Libra, the Wheel of Fortune. It's really Wheel of Fortune. Maganda talaga guys na mahuhulog ang kunin natin based on my experience in handling my own reading. Oh my god, very fixed, very perfect pag mahulog yung cards. Kasi yun talaga ang answer ng question. Yun talaga ang message for your question or kailangang answer. So Libra, prediction. So what's the bonus card? What's the bonus card? So you have the Ace of Swords, the advice. And the bonus card is, oh my god, 4 minutes. Wala talaga mahuhulog. Parang ito na. So siya mahulog. Oh, 7 of Swords. The bottom of the deck is the 2 of Swords. Libra, this is your financial spread for the week of April 20 to the 26th, Monday to Sunday. Alright? So your first card or your current situation is the Knight of Wands. So nasa mabilis at agresibo yung yung energy mo this week, no? Gusto mo mabilisan yung pagdating ng kapirahan, loan, yung receivables mo kung meron, yung all about money. Gusto mo nang mabilisan ang pagdating, no? So gusto mo mabilis ang progreso. Okay? Baka Libra, may bigla kang pinag-isipan or planuhan to start business, a new business, a sideline, a side hustles, no? So, or gusto mong mabilisan yung proseso na application mo sa trabaho. Baka may nag-apply ng trabaho, gusto mong mabilis yung interview, no? Interview or tawag for the updates of your application, right? So, some of you also may urge na kita ka ng mabilis, no? Mabilis yung galaw ng negosyo mo, no? Kasi may mga bills kayong babayaran, no? At the end of the month, no? Or may mga bayarin kayo. Or some of you also may pabigla-bigla kayong financial decision for this week. Alright? So, ito yung first Knight of Wands, no? So the second card is what's coming in your money. It's the 8 of Wands. So there's a fast moving opportunities, no, and money flow are coming in. Okay? So siguro may mga mabilisang communication regarding your loans, regarding the payment, no? Loan payments or yung situation of yung mga application mo for your loans or yung mga orders from your clients, no? So there will be a quick development, na quick development of your communication regarding your financial matter, regarding your loans, regarding your salary, or regarding your application, no? In your job, a new job, no? So may mga paparating na mabilis na opportunity, some of you, na dadaloy ang pera. Ito ay biglaang galaw, no? Or good news. So, matatanggap mo ito this week, no? So, may sunod-sunod din na mga income opportunities na matatanggap mo this week, no? This is all about job, work. Siguro may Libra dito na nag-a-apply talaga ng trabaho, no? Or mag-o-open ng bagong investment, bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo. So, yung ang energy mo this week is very aggressive, no? Gusto mo mabilisan. Gusto mong maumpisahan kaagad, no? You're so fiery. You're so fiery this week, no? So, the third card, you have the Nine of Pentacles. This is what's going out. This is your spending, no? Spending of your money. So, this is a spending on independence, the lifestyle, and the self-reward. So, this week, mapupunta yung pera mo sa self-reward, mga luho, mga pagiging independent na tao. Siguro may Libra dito na siguro single lang siya, single dalaga, or single mom, but very financial independent, na some of you. Whether you are single mom, you're single, literal single, na, or hindi naman lahat ng Libra ay babae, no? Some of you, whether you're a boy or girl, but here, may Libra dito na yun, bumibili ka ng mga mahal na bagay para sa iyong sarili, no? Parang reward for your own para sa sarili mo, para magiging happy ka, no? Some of you also may mga Libra dito na mag-i-invest para sa sarili for their future, no? So para sa some of Libra also, parang para sa invest for their beauty, for the skills, kung beauty, parang magbibili ng para sa sarili, para gumaganda, yung pakulay ng buhok, magpapariban, magpapakinis ng bellow, medical groups, na magpaparitoke, kung sa yun, hindi naman yan pangit. Yun ay yung to enhance your beauty, right? Some of that's very good, no? Kung may pera lang, right? So some of the Libra are investing themselves for skills. They're enrolling online for some of AI, maybe AI courses, no? Courses, yung mga bookkeeping courses na kailangan for the future or for themselves, for their own personal use, right? So my comfort, may some of you bibili ng ang bagong bed, no? Mga pangkulay sa bahay, pang palamuti sa bahay, aircon. There are some of you, hindi naman kasi marami naman yung mga Libra rito. There's a lot of, take note that this is a general and collective reading. This is not a personal, right? So this is for everyone who are resonated with the energy, no? So kunin mo yung energy na yon. Huwag mong kunin lahat kung hindi ka naman nakaka-resonate sa energy mo, right? Because this is not a personal one. This is a collective or general reading for all Libra out there. Okay? So, yon din. So, at may Libra din na gumagasto para lang ma-enjoy ang pinaghihirapan niya. Kasi reward niya sa sarili niya. Kasi mayaman siya this week, right? Yan. So, the next card, you have the hidden factor, which is the Wheel of Fortune. So, there will be unexpected financial changes are happening behind the scene for you, Libra, this week, no? So, may mga hindi inasahang pagbabago sa pera na mangyayari sa likod ng iyong situation this week, right? Yun nga, this is the 6 cards. So, from the first 2 cards, the Knight of Wands and the Eight of Wands, may biglang ng opportunities na lalabas out of nowhere, no? May matatanggap ka talaga na makaka-enhance ng iyong financial situation, makakapalago ng iyong kapirahan, makakatanggap ka talaga, siguro may magbabayad na sa'yo, may matatanggap ka na commission for your side hustles mo dyan, no? Yung may unexpected orders, siguro from from your clients before na bumabalik na, at saka yung mga financial or mga money na parang unexpected, parang hindi pinaghihirapan. Baka naman nananalo ka ng may libre na nanalo ng loto, kahit hindi naman siya parang the jackpot one, basta malaking pera ito, no? That's a wheel of fortune na makakapag-shift ng sitwasyon mo, no? Ano yung Tagalog? Makaka-change. Makakapag-change ng sitwasyon or yung buhay mo. Pwede ka makabili ng bahay. Yun nga itong Nine of Pentacles. Because you'll be feel the luxury of your money that you get this week, ha? May pagbabago sa income, no? Sa income mo na hindi mo naman inasahan. Kasi maybe mahina ang sales mo last week, no? Or last month. Kaya you don't expect na may mag-o-order sa'yo na malaki. Hindi mo ini-expect na may magbabayad sa'yo na napakalaking pera na makapag-change. Ano ba yung Tagalog na change? Change. Yun, makapag-change sa sitwasyon ng buhay mo, no? Not necessary in your money matters, but in your own situation. Yun, you feel luxury, no? Luxurious and very happy with alone, no? Siguro, you're really a single one, no? Or ikaw lang yung kumikita sa pamilya mo, no? May mga swerte na bigla ang papasok sa linggo na ito for you, Libra, right? So, for the final advice, this is the Ace of Swords. So, you should be clear, Libra, no? You should be clear, honest, and strategic in your financial situation. Make smart in financial decision also, no? Wag kang pabasta-basta magbibili-bili ng mga para mauubos yung pera, okay? Just spend wisely. Yun. So be honest, yung mga kinakailangan mo lang, kailangan mong malinaw nga. Yun. So may pag-iisipan ka ngayong week, Libra, na makapagbabago sa way of spending mo, no? Or baka mag-i-invest ka. Mapaisipan mo na mag-i-invest ka sa market ngayon. This is a great, no? Because when you are going to invest, whether it's stocks, crypto, or whatever kinds of mga commodities, mga investments, you should start in the market which is bearish, yung down ang market, because that's good. Because kung magbo-bull run na or aakyat na yung market or yung maganda yun na yung market, magbo-bullish na yun, that's a time that good to sell your stocks or whatever you are going to invest, no? If not a long-term goals, yun. Dapat paisipan kung bibili ka, maggagasto ka, or you spend luxury for yourself, mga para sa'yo, as a reward, you must be a wise spending, no? Dapat iwasan ang emotional decision. Kailangan gamitin mo yung logic mo. Kaya ito ay isang Ace of Swords. Kailangan mo yung isip mo. Huwag kang basta-basta gumagasto ng mag-spend ng money mo na hindi mo pinag-isipan. Alright? At saka, yung bonus card is the Seven of Swords. So, you should be cautious all the time. There will be deception and hidden risk in what you are planning. No? Kung baka may gagawa sa'yo or mag-hypnotize sa'yo, whether it's not really hypnotize, but inviting you to join this kind of investment, just watch out for that. Oh, you're moving. My video is moving. So watch out of that, Libra. Sorry guys, my phone is moving, right? So here, because this is a Seven of Swords, this is the card of deception and theft, or there's a hidden risk, because this is a financial reading, financial reading or money reading. So there should be a hidden motive of that investment kung may mag-invite sa'yo. So be careful. Never trust. Think it many times, right? Kaya may Ace of Swords dito, tabasin mo na yan. Iwasan mo yung tao. Iwasan mo para hindi ka mailad. No yun, maloko. No? So, kasi baka may taong mag-invite sa'yo or mag-deal na hindi naman alam ang ginagawa or hindi ninyo alam. Kaya kung mag-invest kayo, just research it online, study it first, research it online. We have a lot of tools right now to know that whether it's a scam or not, whether it's a right time to dive in, to jump into do the investment right away. But if you do the investment, do not dive it all your money. You can invest in just weekly, monthly, just have a schedule for your investment. Hindi lahat ng pera mo, ibili mo right now. Huwag mong gawin yan. You do not know that tomorrow, mas bababa ang market. Mas magda-down ang market. Every time na mag-down, it's right time to buy whatever it is. Whether it's a crypto, a stock, or it's a currency. So, just always think many times. Check the tools online, the Gemini, ChatGPT. You can ask everything there. If you can ask, do not ask directly to those people who are not really, hindi alam yung market, kung mag-invest ba or yung negosyo, yun, kung investment, basta, Libra, advice, huwag kayong, kung may mag-invite man sa iyo, may magsasabi sa iyo, oh, ito, kasi may pera. Huwag mo sabihin din sa tao na may pera ka. Kasi pag sabihin mo sa tao or your friend or whoever they are na may pera ka, of course, hindi ka titigilan yan unless hindi maglalabas yung pera mo just to invest with them or whatever they want, no? They want from you. So, yun, huwag kang kasi may risk yung invitation niya kung may mag-i-invite sa iyo this week, Libra. So, watch out for that offer, watch out for that investment, watch out for that anything you do or any offer. Okay? Kailangan mo maging wise at hindi kailangang hindi basta-basta magtiwala. Alright? So, that's your financial prediction for this week, April 20 to the 26th, Libra. Excuse me, guys. So, takes what resonate and leave what doesn't. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and check all the links in the description box where you can find my online store in Lazada, and also some of my affiliate links in the bank affiliates. So check inside the description box, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and God bless you more. Bye.